Let me introduce the air compression massage recovery system. It's 6 trombone units. Compared to 4 trombone units in the market, it can provide a more comfortable massage feeling. Now, let me show you more details about the machine. It's a handheld, compact size. Put on the machine, and then we can set the wanted time here. And increase or decrease the intensity, the pressure level. Today we make it 8 level, and there are 4 optional programs A, B, C, D. Today, let's start with D program. And it has the intensive and skip care for the wanted massage area. First chamber to 6th chamber, feet, ankle, calf, knee, lower thigh, upper side. And today we will enjoy the full trombone compression massage. Let's start here.